Do you believe in God? You are theist?
Yeah, of course. I am believer of God, and I think if there is no one for you, one God is everywhere, and they know that what to give, how to give, when to give. So they can give us the path, and they can hold our hand in every situation. That's why I believe in God.
Oh, it's good.
Mhm.
Sometimes I also believe, but not all first time.
Okay, so you are, I mean, you are not every time believing in God, but you believe in God.
because
Okay.
because of in our society there are many rumors which has been
Mhm.
spread. So
Mhm.
sometimes I think this is vulgar, this is awkward. We should not do it like that.
Mhm.
And sometimes I believe.
Devghar. See, one of the famous temple of Jharkhand, Devghar,
Mhm.
Baba Ki Nagari. So yeah, it is a a holy place for us, one of the Jyotirling, and there are lots of natural things. Like if you want to see the waterfalls, so you should come to Ranchi. There is so many waterfalls, Dasam Fall, Hundru Fall. Okay, so you should come
Mhm.
here for. So overall, if I sum up the things, so if you love the nature, so you should visit our state.
Of course, I'll visit. And thanks for suggesting me.
Yeah. So I think you are running your coaching, right?
Yes, I'm running my coaching in my district.
Okay. So you are running coaching for speaking, like spoken English classes or some other thing, like grammar or subject wise.
There are many courses I provide here, as like speaking courses and 11th, 12th for and also competitive exams.
Mm-hmm.
So all types of courses we provide here.
Mm-hmm. So when you started your coaching.
Hmm. I started my coaching in 2021, and it has been almost 4 years and 5 years now onwards.
Yeah. So how you think that I should open my coaching? I should run my coaching. I mean, there is any reason to you started your own coaching instead of working in somewhere or somebody's coaching. You started your own coaching.
Exactly. I didn't think about it because when I was preparing for Air Force exam, so
Air Force.
I was preparing for Air Force exam, but I got 72% marks in intermediate in 12th class. But
Mm-hmm.
that time, Air Force, you can send call letter the students who have almost 76% mark. But that time I couldn't get 76% marks. I have got only 72% marks. That's why they didn't send me call letter. So I left preparing, and that time I was very unhappy because I didn't have anything to do because I
Mm-hmm.
was full of since childhood. I had to go in Air Force. So
Mm-hmm.
when I came at my home, I think I didn't have much knowledge in, you can say, the art sector, just like social science sector.
Mm-hmm.
So I couldn't prepare for competitive exam. So I
Mm-hmm.
started my English journey and English coaching. Recently, I have taught almost, I think, 5,000 students approximately.
Okay, I think so. As you said that you have a dream of becoming like Air
Yeah.
Force. Okay, you have to join the Air Force. So why you not prepare? I mean, there are two, three ways of going to the Air Force job, right? If I am not wrong, because I am
No,
very new to it. So why you don't try or why you not give your second try? Because most of the time if a person rejected from one place, so they try for the second time at least, not for the
hmm.
third or fourth, but the second time. So why you not give the second attempt?
Yeah, you are right. I agree with you. There are
Mm-hmm.
many ways to go in Air Force, just like we can qualify NDA exam, CDS exam.
Mm-hmm.
These are ways. But I thought that my financial condition was also so poor because I was living in Patna and my parents were supporting me a lot.
Mm-hmm.
My family background is not so good. So
Mm-hmm.
I thought that because I had taken a lot of money from my parents, so I think it should be better if I will dependent on myself. And that time I was also, and this time also I am supporting my parents and also family uh, by earning money. So
Mm-hmm.
I never thought again to go anywhere in any sector.
Maybe you want like financial stability first, and you don't want to give lots of or waste lots of time, okay,
Hmm.
money also. So that is one of the reason to start your own coaching and start teaching, right?
Of course.
Mm.
But
So do
right
you
now also
have mhm, what you want?
government exam I'm preparing for. I have done B.Ed
Mm.
and I am preparing for NET exam.
Okay, you are preparing for net exam. Okay.
Hmm.
So do you have any questions to ask
Yeah.
me?
Okay. So I forget what your introduction. You did which
Gra-
you can say. Yeah. eh,
Graduation in English honors.
Get registered in English honors. So what do you want to be in future? Where do you
Okay.
want to see yourself in future?
It's a very tough question for me right now because I am like, you know what, nowadays I am also thinking about this question, that what I really want to pursue as a career. And
Mm,
as like you, my financial background is not so good. Yeah,
mm,
like currently I am dependent on my parents. So I think
mm,
there is no any specific job or thing I want to pursue. But yeah, one thing I know, that what I really want is financial freedom. That's why most of the time I try for different job, or I mean, or if I
mm,
talk that what kind of job I want to do in future. So maybe
mm,
first thing is like I want to be a content creator, first thing. And second thing is that because we know that everywhere is competition is so high. So second thing
mm.
is, as a data analyst, I am seeing myself in future.
Ah, good. Yeah, we should do according to our choice and so because we never feel tired when we do according when we work according to our choice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how to keep yourself motivated and happy in bad situation? What do what do you do?
I do nothing. To be honest, I do nothing. You know, whenever my mood is off, or whenever I feel low, to be honest, I did nothing. I stop doing anything. Like, I try to be alone. I know it's a little bit, scary thing, like being alone. But yeah, I try to separate myself from everybody for some time, at least for 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever I want to spend with myself. So I try to be alone at that time and try to like recall things, like what kind of mistakes I did, why I'm doing this. So like, personal talk. I like personal talk that time. So I think I did nothing, but yeah, I try to do personal talk with myself.
Okay. Do you also upload sad status, sad song on
Never,
WhatsApp or anywhere social media? Because
never.
many of people do like that, but I couldn't do because I have many students, many teachers related to me, connected with me, so I can't upload sad song, sad status, anything because
I
everyone will.
never upload the sad status or all. But yeah, one thing I want to say that, like, I am a believer of God. So that's whenever I am sad, so that time most of the time I uploaded the reel which is related to Bhagavad Gita or sometime like a religious thing. So that time I
Hmm.
upload religious thing when I am sad. So yeah.
Okay. Do you believe in God? You are theist?
Yeah, of course. I am believer of God, and I think if there is no one for you, one God is everywhere, and they know that what to give, how to give, when to give. So they can give us the path, and they can hold our hand in every situation. That's why I believe in God.
Oh, it's good.
Mhm.
Sometimes I also believe, but not almost time.
Okay, so you are, I mean, you are not every time believing in God, but you believe in God. Okay.
because because of in our society there are many rumors which has been
Mhm.
spread. So
Mhm.
sometimes I think this is vulgar, this is awkward. We should not do it like that. And sometimes I believe.
I think, especially in Hinduism, to be honest, I'm not disrespecting my own religion, uh,
Mm,
but to be honest, there are so many rumors, as you mentioned, that yeah, there are so many rumors because I mean, because of the people, because they
mm,
focus on these kind of thing that if you like, I just give you the example of, like Bali. I don't know what to say in English, but Bali. So, animals Bali and all. So
good.
they do for the sake of maybe God will be happy after getting the head of the animal and all. So there are very
Mm,
rumors. So whenever I see these kind of thing happen in front of the God, in front by the name of the God, like Bhagwan Khush ho jayenge, okay. So
mm,
that that was a very sad part of the society, to be honest. And but you know what? Why I believe in God? Because I don't believe in the external religion kind of thing, like do the puja all the day and do the wrong thing to the others. There are so many
yeah,
people who are
mm,
who are believing in God. They are praying in front of the God, and at the same time, or they are disrespecting other people. They are hurting the other people, animal. So I don't believe these kind of thing. But yeah, I believe in God.
okay, good. So by the name of God, many people do discrimination
Mm-hmm.
and many like thing. They also do fraud with people. So sometimes that's why I don't believe sometimes.
Yeah. And you know what? One thing which I don't like, which is VIP system. I know you know about the VIP system of the big temples like
Mm,
Vrindavan and big temples. In big temples, there are VIP system. If you want
mm,
darshan of God for the very first place, so you have just pay the amount whatever they want, and you got the pass, and you just you are the first person who see the God. So I don't like these kind of things,
mm,
by the name of God.
yeah. Okay, sister, I have to discuss many things with you, but today I have to go at my home because
Hmm.
my wife is calling. I am married,
Okay, no
and
problem. I think
yeah,
I also discussed so many things with you, and I really like to talk with you. Have a great
okay.
journey ahead because you are doing so well. You are running your own coaching. You are a teacher, so have a great journey ahead.